na si Chloe, pati si Angel. At ito ang bonus round na lip reading challenge. Unang karaan, ang unang ng hula ay si Angel. Ngayon naman, ikaw, Chloe. Ikaw na magsuot. Oh, ready na ba kayo?
Ready na.
First word.
Catch me, I'm falling.
Umuwi ka na daw.
Catch me, I'm falling. Naririnig ka.
Narinig ba?
Baka. Game. Ito. I just called you to say I love you. I just called to say I love you. I just called to say I love you. Pass.
Mahina.
I love. Make you feel my love.
Sige, go mo
Make you feel my love. Love takes time.
Sige, go.
Love takes time.
Angel. Ganda mo, Angel. Mamaya na. Okay na?
Okay na. First word.
Mabagal yan.
Stay with me. Stay with me. With me. Stay with me. Stay with me. Before it sinks in. It sinks in. It sinks in. Sinks in. Before it sinks in. You changed my life.
Go.
You changed my life. You changed my life.
Wait lang. Si Angel nakakuha ng tamang sagot sa loob ng 50 seconds. Ang panalo sa round na to ay walang iba kundi si Angel! Susunod na sa salang ay walang iba kundi ang bigating Brianna na si Brionia na kasama si Krish.